doesn't even do it justice, man, what it looks like in real life. That's the messed up part. Get another, maybe last section of burn here. Maybe, we'll see how it goes. Sprinkler here, sprinkler there. We got a pretty good, consistent burn throughout the board here. I don't think I want that shorting out against the board. This right out of the way. Gosh darn it, we were just getting oh god, now that fell down. We're just having disasters here. But this is how it goes. It happens. This is a lot of holes. Try to video and watch it in person. How I'm doing. That's right. I think we're going to close the resin, all the lightning bolts. Deep runs, that'll do for the boat. Damn, that's bright. Whew. Okay, we get one more here in the middle, see where it goes. Just place her right there and see what runs out. On fire! Alright. Coolio. Move all this out of the way here. Give you guys a little glimpse of what is that? That's a 3 foot by 3 foot burn that we did here. Got another one to do. We'll get that done tomorrow though. I don't know if we'll do it tonight. Pretty quiet out here. That's what I like. But I guess we'll let this dry out a little bit and probably get a light on and clean all this out and maybe sand her up tonight and see what she looks like. That's the real part, the fun, beauty part, where all the little detail comes out of all these little burns. All right. Peace.